Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to hide reels on Facebook page. So today in this video I will show you how you can hide your reels video on your Facebook page easily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook application. So this is my Facebook page. So as an example, if I go to my profile and if I scroll down, then you can see that I have uploaded reels video from here. And now I am going to hide this reel video from my Facebook page. If you want to hide your reels video on Facebook page, then here you click on three lines at the top right corner. After that, click on settings icon from here. Then click on page settings. After that, just scroll down. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. Then here you click on activity log. After that, here you click on your activity across Facebook. Then just scroll down. And after that, click on Reels. Then click on your Reels option from here. Now you can see your all Reels video which you have uploaded on your Facebook page. After that, click on three dots of a reel video which you want to hide. Then click on hide from page option. Now your Reels video has been hidden from your Facebook page successfully. And now if I go to the profile of my Facebook page, if you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. Then you can see that the reel video has been hidden from my Facebook page. And now if you want to unhide your hidden reels, then go back to the your reels option. After that, click on three dots of the hidden reels. And then if you will click on the add to page option, then your hidden reels video will be added to your Facebook page. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.